Hey guys, in this video we are going to solve the problem number 27 of Leetcode. Problem is called remove element and it's an easy problem. It simply gives us an array called noms and an integer called val, and it needs to remove all the val integers in the array noms. So whenever we saw the val inside the array, we should remove the integer. Here's an example. We have an array of 4 elements and the val is number 3 or integer 3, and the output should be something like this, an array without these 2 elements. So how are we gonna solve this problem? The first thing that comes to my mind is a while loop. We simply write while val or our integer in noms or in our array noms that remove val and return noms. This problem simply gets solved with these three lines of code, and you can see an example here. This is our class solution, and we call our function here remove element, our array which has 4 elements and our val which is 3, and if we print the final result it would give us an output with which is an array with 2 elements and the val is removed from our array. Thank you for watching this video.